What's up? Welcome to tonight's live stream. I'm him, and it's already May 7th. It's Wednesday, May 7th. We're a week into May. My sense of time is never great. It fell off a cliff years ago. All right. What's the plan for today? I don't really have a plan. I was going to go upstairs and watch Atlanta. Then I was like, I did say I would stream. I told someone I would stream. So I had to do it now. So yeah, I'm going to be streaming stuff, I suppose. But I got to make sure I close a few things that absolutely cannot be shared. I didn't prepare for any of this. Gosh, that's a wow. That's very bright. Just going through all of these tabs, making sure. Oh my gosh, even brighter. Yeah, I'm glad I did that. Yes, there are so many things that I didn't want to show. Perfect. All right, let me close that and that and that, and then definitely that. Okay. I think I'm good now. Share my screen. Wait a minute, hold on. I have new scenes. I forgot about this. I need to inspect this to see how this is looking. Because it's not in the same. Is this the screen that I'm looking for? Yes. But where's me? I don't see my little thingamajig. Where is he at? Okay. All right, so I'm on screen. How do I see? Oh gosh. Where are the overlays? Well, okay. This isn't what I was trying to do. I'm just a bit surprised by what I can and can't see on here. All right, yeah, I'm gonna have to edit my scene a little bit. I'm gonna do that live. Something I shouldn't do, but I am a self-professed pro at this by now, so I'll do it. Let's see, come here. Take that avatar. Screen. Okay, we'll unlock that. Put her there. Okay. So we'll lock that down. I know no one can see this, but I'm going to publish it soon. We'll publish that. Ah, okay. Did it not publish? All right, my publish button doesn't work. Oh gosh, what just happened? Wait. There we go. All right, I'm back. I'm back in live mode. Okay, so I fixed one of those things. Let's go to here. Oh yeah, that works. Yeah, this is with me. I think I have one with a zoom of me too. Yeah, that's me zoomed in. I don't understand what the difference between these two are, but I'm gonna take it. Oh, what's up? Andrew. I haven't seen you in a while. It's been a minute. Oh, here's the new one. Yeah, this is the new one. Check this out. This is really cool. Make sure I open up something that I can open, like Sloth. Look at that. See that? It's cool, isn't it? Don't pay any attention to the whatever. To the lack of results. They're here. One issue with that, I haven't figured out how to place a camera on that one yet, but it's neither here nor there. All right, I think I've gotten it. My setup is so different with I rearranged my stream deck, so I don't know where anything is. It's been too long. Here for the result. Yeah, I'm vibing, bro. I don't have a real plan in mind. It's the same angle, man. It's the same angle. I've just put some refinements on the layout of the stream. So yeah, I made stuff a little bit bigger so I can actually read text. Other people can too. And I think YouTube chat messages show up on the stream too. Yeah, I kind of rearranged my little audio tool. It's down at the bottom. It captures my music, my voice, pretty much anything going into my stream feed. Yeah, well, I'm glad that you noticed. You're the first person to notice, although this is also my first stream since making these changes a few days ago. Yeah, man. Like it's been a long journey to get to this setup, man. Ah, it's one of those things where you start out and you think that it should be simple because it's like, yeah, I wanna have my face somewhere on the screen, and I also want to be able to like share stuff, right? Isn't that kind of what most people think a live stream is, that they can do? They'll just share their screen. Maybe not. Maybe it's also being on the camera too. I've been working on this other thing that's kind of fun. I've been playing around with some AI stuff. Wait, is this the right one? Yeah, this is the right one. Yeah. So I was working on this. Where's my chat, my little pod client? They changed the name and I can't remember the name. I keep calling it Paw because that's what I know it as. Like check out this new view, this app view. You can't see me, but it's okay. Check that out. Man, I know you can see that. I know that's cool. You gotta admit it. Now I gotta make it a little bit more cool. I just realized that I have an opportunity here, so I'm gonna do something live. I'm gonna go into preview mode again. And screen, yes, screen. Copy that. And put her there. Oh, it's locked. Gotta take it. Right there. Lock it. Okay, let's publish that. All right, check it. Now we have my logo there. Hopefully this is the live thing. But yeah, so now I can switch around. You know, I have my little thing. Go into Visual Studio. I don't know why it's tiny. Yeah, why is it tiny now? What the hell? Oh, you know what? I might have. Oh man, this is strange. When you have more than one window open, it doesn't like that. Oh man, that's bad. Let me get out of here. Escape hatch. Escape hatch. Okay. All right. Well, I found myself here, and I'm realizing that I'm gonna edit my thing live again. You're not supposed to do these things, but that's what they say. It's the old hat though. That's what the old media did. All right, what scene is this? This is a scene with here we are. That scene. No, that's not it. Shit. Here we are. All right, scene accomplished. Unlock that. I'm gonna just do this one straight up live, you know, just do a little bit of that action. All right. I have faith in myself. All right, cool. So, I'm gonna close one of these, except I can't. So we'll go and have them both open. I'm not actually going to do any of this. I'm going to edit a video most likely, but I wanted to show off my new camera angle views. If I go back to app, see, look at that. I can do stuff. They're gonna fail. Is it even running? Oh shit. I don't know if it did anything, but it was doing stuff earlier. It worked on my machine. Anyway, let's go back to this right here. And we're gonna resume what I said that I was gonna do. To barbecue, yeah, this is it. Huh, interesting. Wait, what? I'm confused. Edit. Okay, interesting. Let's delete that. I don't understand why I can't delete this. Fried tomatoes. What? Oh my gosh, it's so confusing. Okay, all right, okay, look at that. Look at the, finally. Okay. Oh, look at that. I've already done something. I gotta find an intro portion though.
What's up? I am out for a ride today, except it's not a true ride. It's more of a commute. Meeting one of my friends who's visiting the city for a week or so for lunch, getting some barbecue.
All right, I need to actually see any of that. Has this already been edited? Yeah, not really. See, the problem with this clip is it's only a few seconds long, and I don't have any other clips. Doing some window management. Okay, all right. Mission accomplished. Oops. So this was the whole point of this ride, was to get barbecue here. And I literally, I thought that I recorded lots of video. In fact, I thought I had at least a couple minutes of footage. I didn't. It's disappointing. Sometimes that's how it is though, right? It only hurts if you are chasing perfection now, which if you give that up, things become so much more pleasant. You can just move on. All right, so now that I've moved on, I gotta see if there are any opportunities to like make this not trash. For one, this should, wait, why did I do that? I see what I've done. I've jacked it up, but oh man, what else can I do? This clip is meant to be just the camera and its audio with the camera color corrected or whatever. The colors are all right. And then I apply a look. Okay. It's a pretty drastic look too. Houston's kind of green. You know, it's not so bad. Anyway, these clips right here were not really meant to be in the same like clip thing group. What I should have did is just created another edit and then created another group, and I don't know. It's fine though. This is a moto vlog. I try not to put too much effort into editing these. So I'm just looking for any easy opportunities for pulling out lights. So what I'll do is when I get to a light, I'll kind of mark it. And then I'll mark when I'm going again. There should be another light that I may have had to stop at. Nope, didn't have to stop. Normally I had to stop at this light. Okay, so we'll mark it. Yeah, and mark it there. Cool. So these are my opportunities to, you know, if I need to save some space. My workflow has changed a little bit, slightly. Oh, wait, while I'm over here, oh wait, I've already done it, never mind. All right, there's normally a light right here. Do I have to stop at it? No. Okay, I think I had to stop here, so I talked, so maybe I'll keep it. Depends. I'll still mark it. I can decide if I want to, you know, keep it later. Oh, that's a good thumbnail. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna tell Adobe AI to make it look dangerous, as if someone is going to die. And I'll make sure I say "Death to America" so that it gets plenty of views. I've noticed that YouTube is highlighting all this negative shit. Anything that's negative against this country it's promoting. It's interesting. All right, wait, huh? Did I accidentally add two? I did. Okay. Delete. Yeah, that's a whole stretch that I could potentially delete. It's a lot. I don't remember having to say, yeah, I didn't stop any of those. Look at that. No, shit, never mind. I misspoke. Actually, no stoplight yet. Kinda. I don't think I ever had to put my foot down, except right here. Okay, all right, cool. We get a light. I'll do some texting, which, yeah, probably I don't want that in the video at all.
Going back up upstairs.
Oh, right there. I remember having to stop at one of these lights. Yeah, this one. Alright, I got another light.
Real talk, the reason why I got that is I went to that position. I'm gonna have to change that word.
I'm just yapping too. It's a long light. I guess I gave up on the yapping. Oh, there we go. Cool. Yeah, that was a long ass light. And yeah, cool. Look at that. So I have some options. Now I don't think I'm supposed to. I don't think I'm supposed to edit this part. I think this is just the clip. It's misnamed. Yeah, that's the problem. This is misnamed. So it's not a cut. It's the clip. Alright, so this is a clip. Man, this is a large mental leap that I'm having to make. I don't understand this Final Cut shit. Okay. Gonna take these out. Okay, that didn't do what I thought it would do. Put that. Wait, what the hell is this? How did it get here? Wait, what the hell did I just do? God damn it. All right, this is the right clip. Let me name this. That's another thing. I should, man. This is user error, but I still blame Final Cut for this. What is this like? I don't know what this is called. There's no need for this to be called whatever this is called. This would be clip 1. Okay. So it needs to go on here. Can I paste it? Yes, look at that. Wait a minute. Hold on. That didn't. Something didn't look right. I'm sure. Yes, it's me. Obviously, it's me. Well, I don't know. Maybe it's not me. Oh, no wonder it's still here. Okay. There we go. So this is a little bit weird, but I don't know. If it works, it works. I'll learn my lesson for next time to be organized. Yo, what's up, Casual Economist? How you doing? Yeah, see, look, it doesn't fade with the rest. God dang it. So, okay, so I see what I'm gonna have to do now. I'm gonna take that clip. Dang it. Yeah, I'm gonna just do that. I'm gonna take that clip. Actually, I'm not gonna take that clip. I'm gonna undo all of my work. 1334. Okay, just remember that. Get rid of that crop. None of that. Okay. So there should be no difference here. This is just a regular clip as it's named. And then I can do my edit here. Unfortunately, this has to go away now. So, right. So if I want my bike to be seen, I have to edit this part down here. So what I'll do is take a selection like that. Cut it here. Oops. We'll duplicate it. Now, how do I undo a cut? Is that possible? Oh, man. Is it impossible to undo a cut? Whatever. I don't care anymore. So, I'm gonna take this clip here and move it. Yeah, transform, and that's gonna be like 13 and some change. About. It doesn't have to be exact. All right. looks good. Okay, that looks okay. Yeah, that looks fine. And then I can scale it a little bit. Yeah, like that. Make it take up more of the frame. Oh, and there's this pop. Definitely don't want that. Turn that off. Wait, why is it still popping? What the hell? I guess, yeah, there's this. So yeah, let's fade that in. Okay. We'll group these. I don't know what names mean in film language, so. What is that pop? This pop is pissing me off. It was from this cut. I don't understand why it makes such a difference. It's the same footage. All right, cool. That's done. And this is the rotting to lunch. Okay, this is the project. Okay. So all this crap would be the edit, I guess. Not all of it, just this stuff here. Without that. Oh. Got a new setup for the stream. Yeah. It's updated, refined a little bit. If the messages are faster, I don't know. I don't. That's not of me. I didn't do that, but I'm glad that they are faster. Now, what I can attribute to myself is they are larger, so you should be able to read them while they're on the screen, whereas before they were kind of small. Okay, so I put all of my opportunities here in the wrong spot because I'm gonna edit it up here. Actually, I'm gonna get rid of the subscribe stuff for now because these need to be in their own. Right, yeah, so edit goes here. Okay. And then I can do, yeah. So I need those markers here, but oh man, I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that. Oh man, yeah, this sucks. So here's my working assumption. I'm thinking that I'm doing this properly. I have my clips that have been synced, because that's really what this is. It's a synced clip. Maybe I can say that, you know. Right, so I have this synced clip. Now, if I'm making a cut, right, I have this cut right here. And I go into the left part of the cut, and let's say I turn down the audio to nothing. And then let's say I come to this right side. Okay, it's nothing. Okay. So this is behaving the way that I would expect. In the past, it's almost like it would create a copy. So I'm gonna set this to 0, and I expect it to be 0. Okay, 0 both sides, and okay. I come here, and I expect it to be 0 here, and it is. Okay. Interesting. So this has been fixed. So now, all right, so perfect. Now I can edit the way that I naturally thought of these, which is I put these things together. Now, if I come into this underlying clip and do something, I expect it to carry over to all of the other clips that use this as a source. Anyway, experiment confirmed, I suppose. Unfortunately, I have no idea how to get those markers over here, so I had to do it again. My gosh, I hate this. But I can use the little playhead this time because I have a better idea of where they are. Yeah, not so bad this time. It's a little bit faster than it was. Could be one more. Right here. No, 2 more. I lied. And this was the last one right here. All right, cool. All right, I did the work again. Okay. Wait a minute. Ah, okay, I forgot. I make this into its own group clip. Great, perfect. Okay, so here's why I wanted it to be this way. Now I can do my edits here, right? So let's just say that I come here, realize I don't need any of it. Which that's what it's seeming like right now. Yeah, none of that. I don't need any of that. So we'll just kind of come over to here, delete. And yep, cool. Is this one that I want to keep?
This is the Galleria, uptown area.
I don't think I need to keep it. Oh shit, I just realized that I'm supposed to text somebody back. I haven't done that. I should do that soon. good enough.
Late. I'm normally not a late person. This bike.
You know what? I'll do that. And
I forgot to put on earplugs, so I don't want to get on the freeway.
yeah. Maybe there. Ah, I see. I have an opportunity here. I look right there. It's a good time to just zoom you to right here. So let me see if I have another movement, like a head movement. Oh, how about that? Yeah, just teleport you to right there. Yes, perfect. Yes, good enough for me. So now I have a reason to have that part. And then we just go. Yes, perfect. This is just like a cleanup, a creative way to get rid of stoplights without having to listen to see if I was yapping about something. Like right here. What am I talking about?
Letting them know I'm 5 minutes out.
Doesn't matter. So, well.
Real talk, the reason why I got the S model is because I wanted the adaptive system.
We're gonna have to skip it because there's a lot of there's a lot of opportunity there. Yeah.
On that street in sport mode.
I don't know what I'm talking about here.
So much more comfortable in road mode. Just busting my balls on that street in sport mode.
Oh yeah, that seems like a perfect place to transition.
The sport mode. On that street in sport mode.
Yeah, yeah, that's cool. Okay, so I have a rough edit going, but now I can finally answer the question that no one asked. Why did I just go through all this effort to ungroup and then regroup these clips? And I don't know why I have to do it. It's because it's Final Cut. I guess this is just it's just the way you have to do it this way. But now I can come over and find a what do you call that thing? The adjustment thing. I'm sure there's a shortcut for it. I don't know it yet. This new Final Cut adjustments. Just plop that right there. Make sure it's long enough. And I want it to be all of these clips. And I don't remember the command to move these across lanes. Right, so now whatever I put on here will apply as a look. So that way when I'm when I'm here in the project, it has to look and all that kind of stuff baked in. it has most of the sound the way that it needs to be, and I just put a finishing mix on it. And then it's adding the elements that make it a somewhat of a consistent video. So let's give this its look. What is it? It's a custom LUT. This thing right here. Plop it on that adjustment, and you can give these names now, I think. Yeah. So call it look. And I normally use the Fuji or the Kodak, depending on what I want the darks to do. I'll go with Fuji. I'll pull that down a lot. I like 50. And the other thing is come in and make sure that this is gone. That goes away. This will have the enhanced light and color. I need to delete all of these markers. Marker 3 through. I don't know how to. I don't have any certainty deleting them the other way. I'm going to do it this way. It's slow, but it works. And I only have to do it once, so it's fine. Okay, cool. Got it there. So now the look applied, here we are. We'll pull this down more. I know you like that switch up. I did it just because I could. I thought it would be fun to do it now.
Oh, no wonder it's so jerky. It's in sport mode.
So I could just like, how long is this? I could just post this as is. There's a certain yeah, it's 12 minutes. I can only put so much effort, so I think this is good enough. Let me make sure I'm not doing anything illegal. Yeah, I'm good. Okay, nothing illegal. We're good. So this is the edit, which most of the stuff should be on here now. Well, not most of the stuff, but some of the stuff. Okay, so, oops. Go into this app mode. Look at that. Wait, what? I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. Where am I even trying to go? Where is this crap at? It's on volumes, that's where it is. I don't think I can name it by... Oh, maybe I can. Let's see. Can I? No, I can't. I have to do volumes. Because it's mounted now. That's going to be in content. No, that was a lie. Or was it? Yeah, that was a lie. Yeah, that's a lie. It's here. Inside of exports. I need to have a better place. Man, it's all right. Anyway, so I have the subscribe 24p. We'll add that to this event over here, which you didn't see because I was in the app mode. But if I was in this mode, you would have saw it all. Wait, did it just shift? Yeah, it did. It did. All right, it doesn't matter. Okay, so I have my subscribe in here, and I want that to be at the 30-second mark. There we are, 30 seconds.
Decided that I'm not going to take...
All right, and now I have to mask it. No. I had to do this. Not that, the other one. Lighten. Yes. Or I can do screen. Screen would keep the color. Which there isn't any right now. So let's put it on what I've been doing, which is light. Because I think it'll still show. It's just still show the bell and the mouse. Yeah, there it goes.
You'll get to see a little bit of...
Right, cool. So let's make sure that this is, yep, we're still good. Maybe I can tighten this up a little bit. Nope. Oh, that's good. Yeah, that's good. Okay. And now I need to I need to adjust the clip length. All right, cool. So that's the full clip. And if I go to my outro, I have my little wave. All right, and then that'll go here somewhere at the end. And we'll transition it out to black for 3 seconds. All right, this doesn't have my preset, but I made a preset, so that makes my life easy. Motovlog, not okay. Obviously, it's not this. This is Motovlog Mix. Goes there. And that should be the edit. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so let's...
What's up? I am out for...
Wait a minute, is that the edit? Oh, yeah, it is. You know what? I'm gonna pull the look out. Yeah, put that look here. Yeah, there we go. I think this is the right structure.
What's up? I am out for a ride today, except it's not a true ride. It's more of a commute. Meeting one of my friends who's visiting the city for a week or so for lunch, getting some barbecue. decided that I'm not going to take the freeway. I'm going to take the streets. So you'll get to see a little bit of Houston, I suppose. Like the real part of Houston.
So there's a lot of silence there. Wait, what? Here? Where I say Houston, I wanted to just go straight to I'm riding.
Houston, I suppose. Like the real part of Houston.
Like right there.
Like the real part of Houston.
No, wait. I don't like the timing on that.
Houston. Like the real part of Houston.
All right, right there. That's a good place to do it. So now I got to make sure that this is blurry. Right there. Yeah, that's probably good enough. Ah, shit. But then I got to keep the word. Never mind. Alright, maybe it can't be too blurry. It needs to be somewhat the same blur. Right there. Yeah, it's good enough for me. I'll accept it. It's my current skill level. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Can't see me. Look at that. Look at that. You didn't know I had it in me, did you? I can zoom in. Make sure that this cut, okay, yeah, this cut can be done better. All right. Maybe that's a better place. I do this, just look right here. I guess technically I could just do that, right? I could do that. Right, I can do that. It's a little jarring, but maybe. There was a look. I saw it. There was like a little to the left. A little jug to the left. I don't see it anymore. Maybe I just wanted to see it. Right, let me see if I'm going the same speed. Yeah, I'm going kind of slow. Yeah, maybe I just kind of do that, you know? It kind of works. ish. You know, there's this yellow. It's, there's something. Maybe I'll just come back a little bit, just right there. All right, this is my last time. Need to look for something. Maybe that yellow. Yeah, there's yellow. How about that? I can say I tied the two together. The tips. I can give you more than the tip though. How about that? More than the tip. There you go. All right. That's, yeah, cool. There we go. I don't like it, but it's fine. I'm moving on. Wait, do I stop for this? No, I don't.
Oh, no wonder it's so.
I don't even know. Man, yeah, I don't think I need to have even that much slowing down. Let's just get on, you know? I'm gonna just look for a blurry frame, blurry frame like that. So that's, everything is blurry but the logo. I'm just continue that. That's really all I can go by right now. I don't really have anything else. Out of these frames, that looks the sharpest, so that's what I'm gonna go with. See, all right. You know, I could put a little transition in there too if I really want. If I really want to be fancy. Obviously, I don't want to be really fancy. Seeing the same thing, I just tighten this up anyway. So maybe right here. I'm only using this because it's what do you call this? Sharp Ducati logo, because if this is sharp, everything else is blurry. And it's easy for me. And I can come out of anything, really. We'll do that.
And realize that.
Oh wait, was I talking? Shit. That always makes things hard. Me yapping about something.
I was over here the other day.
Go back. Okay. How do I... So maybe I just cut here, maybe? Is that too startling?
I was over here the other.
You know what?
I was over here the other day.
I think that it works. It works well enough. I don't care. It works.
I was over here the other day. And
Ah, yeah. Look at that. Look at me.
I was.
I think that works. Cool. So, moving on. All right, so at this point, is any of this even worth it? Probably not. Just zoom past that. Oh, here's an interesting observation. Maybe that. No, I don't know. See, here it is again, right? I'm looking at the sharp D's. So let's see if I can get it a sharp D frame anywhere. It right there, sharp D frame. I don't know. It's too. I don't like it. I like how it was before. Before that too. I don't know how it was before. You know what? I'm gonna let it linger. Just let it linger. Alright, I'm gonna let it linger some more. Until probably right there. How about that? Look. And then yes to that. I'm trying to see what. Okay, so that. I'm sure there's a me looking to that direction. I hope. Gosh, why does it keep doing that? At no point did I look to my left. Oh yeah, look at that. There, look at that. What do you know? What do you know? I do. I don't want to prolong it. Maybe right there. Ah, shit. I was talking. See, it's always when I'm saying something. That's why I shouldn't say anything. Alright, maybe that's why that was a little tight. Oh, I didn't even think. I did look to that direction. I can just find that. Maybe I look to that direction here. Kinda. I'm looking for blurriness of the building. Oops. Yeah, that works. Yeah, I can put like a effect. Maybe it's better to cut there. I'm looking for a good exit point. Maybe here. I would go by the same distance, which is maybe right there, a car length and a half. Maybe that. It's unnecessarily long, but I've saved a lot of time by deleting these. I didn't even notice this one. This one got away from scrutiny. Of course, we're going to have to give Wendy's. No, that's Whataburger. Yes, of course we give Whataburger. It's glory, right? Yeah, you gotta worship that W. That Whataburger, that hat. All right, so we salute to the Whataburger. Oh, twice. Okay, yeah, all right. More than his fair share. All right, come on now. Yeah, all right, yeah. Look down. That was probably a point that I could have just... Yeah, you know, let's pay homage. We get that nice and sharp. Wait, what the hell? Why did it do that? Get that nice and sharp and frame like that and cut it. I don't know what. Wait, why did I cut it? There we go. Good one frame. And then we'll be like, whoop, what a bugger. Like, look down. Maybe it didn't. All right, it didn't play out the way I thought it would. Wait, I thought I looked down. That's trash. All right, how about there? That seems like a good place. Oh wait, no, that's okay. That's lame. All of that's lame. It works enough for me. You know, with my skill level, that's where I'm at. That's fine.
Busting my balls on that street in sport mode.
Oh, look at that. It's already perfect. I don't even have to do anything. All right, I'm done. I got it down to an honorable 11 minutes. I'd say that's honorable. That's good. Now it's just a matter of, does this even need to be in? Yeah, I guess so, sure. No, this is good. It's tight. It's tight. Let's go out of here and just, get my time back. Oh, wait, what? What was that? Something happened. Something weird there happened. Oh, alright, never mind. Maybe I'm just imagining shit. All right, this is done, I think, right? It has the magic sauce. Yes, it has the magic sauce. And I just got to make sure that this also has the magic sauce. And it looks like it does, maybe. I don't know if this is the latest developments. It looks like it could be, but at the same time, it might not be. Yeah, some of this looks familiar, but some of this seems like maybe I changed it. The EQ would be the giveaway. Actually, I don't know. I'm gonna leave it alone. See how it sounds. How about that? If it sounds okay, then I'm good. We're gonna export this. I gotta turn it up a little bit so I can hear what it sounds like.
What's up? I am out for a ride today, except it's not a true ride. It's more of a commute. Meeting one of my friends who's visiting the city for a week or so for lunch, getting some barbecue. Decided that I'm not going to take the freeway, I'm going to take the streets, so you'll get to see a little bit of Houston, I suppose. like the real part of Houston.
Okay, so I don't understand. Like something is different. Something's adding a lot of volume. I don't think it's just this. The compressor should hit that. Yo, what's up, Chris? How you doing? I think I pulled this back last time just because it wasn't hitting at all. Oh, now it hits. Okay, yeah. There we go. Why is my limiter not actually limiting? Ah, you know what it is. I kind of talk in this one. So in this track, yeah, okay, yeah, all right, there we go. It's gonna sound very different here, but a little bit less. So because I'm talking, I want to make sure that I have a little bit of it on, and it'll be amplified here. Okay, this is ready to export. So it should export as riding to launch. Oh, and I think I got some time back too, somehow. Oh, never mind. Yeah, never mind. Is that when it's in? Yeah, I think this is good. This is good. Enough. It's the enemy of good. It's good enough. All right, let's share it out. And I gotta get something to drink. I'm very thirsty. Riding to lunch. Sure. We'll also put the date. screw that. I'm not doing all that. All right, so it's gonna do some stuff. Let's see if I can get it to hyper focus. As I know, it won't do it. Never mind. It's gonna see if I can get it to hyper focus on that one window. This one right here. You know what it would be like. If you do this enough, sometimes you're looking at it like trying to justify. Am I getting my money's worth? Anyway, I'll be right back. And I had to use my new scene, my new updated one. I'm back. And I see that you like that my be right back screen now shows the time or how long I've been gone. So that worked. That was my first time using it. Spent some time trying to get that to work. Sub Travel Diaries. You're looking for Jimmy. I don't know where Jimmy is, but it's late. It's also it's the middle of the week. It's Thursday. Well, yeah, it is. In any case, this is the rendered video. Let me turn down. Let's play that.
What's up? I am out for.
I don't know how long it took, but yeah, I don't know if I care.
It's more of a commute. Meeting one of my friends who's visiting the city for a week or so for lunch.
Uh-huh. You know what? I need a video to upload. I'm gonna upload this right now. How about that? So I can say that I've edited a video and then I can move on. I can do something else. I don't know what, but that's one thing off my plate of things that need to get done. So Roscoe, you in there going crazy? Wait, let me pull it off just in case. They say you're not supposed to show these things. And I'm like, I don't know if I have anything to show. Wait, how about up here? What are you talking about? All right, maybe it was worse pulling it off over here to the side. I don't know what's going on. Cancel. YouTube Studio, yes. Okay. Oh my gosh, yes. Finally. Okay. Yeah, here we go. All right. Oh my gosh. Okay, where did that go? Is that on my desktop? Rotting to lunch. Yes, of course. Ugh. Okay. So I had to say something stupid like riding Ducati to lunch. Alright, I don't know. I don't have a screenshot. I don't even think I have pictures of the food. I had that one shot that's at the end. And I thought about moving it to the beginning, but then it's just like, it's such a small amount. It's such an insignificant amount. It would be in a slap in the face to put it at the front. So, no, here we are. list at right now. But just upload it. I've done something. Look at that. I got something done on YouTube. Life is saved. Okay. So I don't think I have anything video related here to do. So this goes away. It's just like, I just gotta deal with cleanup, which I kind of have a pseudo process for, but not really. Okay, so, oh, where are windows? Where are they going? Here we are. Okay, so let's go to here. Oh, this is the last one. Cool. So I have to put these in the export folder. Which is here. Tiny downtown remix. Okay, no, that stays. These two go to there. And then this needs to get archived over as well. And footage. Make sure all the things are closed. Yep. All those copying right now, so it's fine. And you can move these. I think you press command. I think that'll move it, or is it control? It's one of them. One of those keep. Just hit them all. Okay, I think I can delete things safely. So yeah, I'm gonna get rid of that. And that. Okay, cool. Video edited. Trying to remember what I was doing. I don't know, so I'm just going to explore. I have no clue. Building an agent. At least so I think. I don't know what I'm doing. But the thought is this agent is going to have a very limited set of responsibilities. His job is to do one thing. It is to take random ass musings and thoughts that I'm going to type throughout a live stream. Just randomly. Maybe not even at all. And it's meant to, after I say, give me a title or something in a description, it gives me back something somewhat relevant. It doesn't have to, like, it doesn't need to be anything significant, but it can be, you know? It can be significant. It doesn't, but it doesn't have to be. I need that. And this is gonna be a one of something. So anyway, based on random musings. Probably should have kept the other one. Anyway, it's fine. I'll put this in ChatGPT and then tell it to tell this what to do. Music and thoughts shared in. Okay. All right, yeah. If I can type, this would be easier. If I knew the keys on this keyboard are too soft. I had 67 G's, like 67 gram. These are 50 something, and oh my gosh. Sometimes I want to fight this keyboard. Oh my gosh. It sounds amazing, but sometimes I'm just like, anyways, I'm complaining, making excuses. They say if you can type, you can type. It doesn't matter what kind of keyboard you're on. And I found that not true at all. I struggle on all my different keyboards in different ways, subtle ways. Depending on how I'm sitting or what position. You know, sometimes I'm higher than my keyboard. Sometimes I'm standing up. Sometimes I'm looking over here or over there to y'all. Or any number of things. You know, there's a lot of stuff going on here. Alright, anyway. Let me see if I can spell in thoughts shared. Man, I can't type in or shared throughout. Throughout, okay. H. Give titles to live streams based on random musings. Okay, alright, this shouldn't be that hard. Okay, this is good enough for me for now. To give to ChatGPT. I told you it was gonna come into play. Alright, hold on. Let me make sure that. Wait. Yeah, let me make sure it's not going to show something. Man, it's like a black box. Found it. See? Look at all this context. All this context I'm giving it. It's not even gonna know what to do with itself. That's what it get. It don't need to know what it's doing. Alright, so I need the following. This is a shitty prompt, but I'm not gonna call it shitty because I don't know. Maybe it's gonna safeguard me, you know? Maybe it's gonna it's gonna make sure that I'm in the safety zone. So I can't say it's a shitty prompt, but I have to say that it's bad. But I need to specify the degree to which it is bad. Hmm. All right. How about this? This trash prompt. How about that? I think that works. Okay. Wait. Well, okay. So I need this trash prompt. Just wait. Why is it using? What language am I in right now? Ah. Okay. Okay. So it needs this. Can I not do? Okay. I can't do things that I thought. Okay. Fine. So we'll point down, not at you. We won't point the finger. I need this trash prompt. Turns into a well-specified bunch of adjectives that mean nothing. System prompt. I'm giving them all of the reasons to succeed here. Okay, all right. This is a lot. You know, I gave it a picture. I gave it my trash ass prompts. And then I gave it just a hand wave. All right, and then I need to make sure I tell it, you know, just get to the point. Wait, I don't even know what I want. I don't even know what I want. I'm gonna just press enter, see what happens. See what AI does. Okay. Sure. I guess that's what I want. Sure. Do I want to be philosophical? Yes, I do. I do want to be that. I want to be comedic and all of those things, but let's see what slop is slopped out. You are a title generator for live streams. Okay, all right. Starting off, okay. Your task is to listen to spontaneous thoughts, tangents, musings, shared. Wait, what? Hold on, I got it. All right. Y'all can read. Shared, streamed, and craft compelling, creative, and concise tittle and captures the essence or theme of the life. What? Man, that's a long sentence. That is a long sentence. I got lost. Is this a thing that people write? They say that AI, these LLMs, that they're trained on your writing. That's in the public. I don't know. You know what? I did say a prompt. This is LLM speak, you know? They called it something else in this other book, but you know, we won't go there. I'm gonna just paste it, see what happens. Okay, all right, cool. We have a system prompts. All right, have a system prompts. Sure, I don't even know what it is. It doesn't matter. And to just discover that I have a LLM just running just out on the side, just like computer not even caring. It's just like man, man, this is kind of amazing, I think. I had a giant ass Mac Pro back when I was in college. You know, the ones with the multiple cores. Back then you can get up to 8 cores. I had a 4-core. It had these workstation class Intel Xeon processors. Back then, I filled up all 4 of my bays. One of it had a SSD. So I didn't get to a terabyte, but I was at like 750 gigabytes total storage. Souped it up with a graphics card back when you could have NVIDIA before Apple and them, they had their little spat with NVIDIA. I think this is when Steve Jobs was still alive, still running the company. And my little tiny Mac Studio just shit diarrheas all over that. That thing was so big and heavy. It was like 87 pounds, fully loaded. Maybe not 87. Maybe I'm just being lazy. Maybe it was like 80 pounds. That's still heavy. Fully loaded. It heated up the room. It had these giant ass fans. Good riddance. And now I'm over here just casually just discovering that, oh yeah, there's this thing that's just running. I didn't even know my computer was on, other than, obviously you don't hear it. It's pretty cool. This little Mac Studio of mine. It's the M3 Ultra. Like, just day to day, I feel a difference. It's a nice upgrade so far. Anyways, I think I've given it its thing to do. I don't know, maybe we'll remove that watermark. I don't want ChatGPT snitching. Telling Facebook that I'm over here using OpenAI to generate prompts to they LLM architecture shit. I don't want them knowing. They don't need to know that. Sure, yeah, let's commit that. Yeah, confirm. Alright, cool. Okay, so I don't even know what. Sometimes I don't know, you know. Honestly, that's most times. Lost in a haze of uncertainty. Oh, man, look at that. When you're not really sure what's real. Huh. Oh, actually, there was a, gosh, what, man, hold on. I gotta go to the internet. How do I go to the internet? That's what they used to say. Or maybe that's still what people say. I don't know. They're like, I need to go to the internet, and it's like, it's the browser. You mean your web browser? You want to go browse the web? That? And we're like, what? And I'll be like, anyway, never mind. Oh, that's really fast. I need a way to test these in a way that I'm like, I don't know. Do I need bubbles? Is that it? Am I a bubble reader? Yes, I think I am. I like those bubbles. It's infinitely better. I think I'm just getting old and blind. I can't read this shit. View plain text. Plain text. Monospace. Plain text. Sure. Markdowns. Oh, this is cool. I'm about to do that though. Alright, well. I forgot what I was gonna do with the browser, so. Yeah, moving on. I have my little thingamajig. It does the thing. So it does the thing. So I need to have another generator agent. Wait a minute. I thought I saved that somehow. Alright, I'm confused. Oh, this is settings. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Okay. We'll close that. We'll close all the distractions. Alright, so this is going to be the title generator. Maybe I'll do this. That'll give us some authority, put some respect on it. Yeah, something like that. Okay. Alright, and just like that, I have the first thing. So I guess the next thing is to connect to it with my fake app. Huh? One of these. Maybe it's that one. That looks fake enough to me. Oh. I was looking at something, alright. Okay, sure. Oh yeah, this is it. Perfect. Except no, it's not gonna be this. Maybe. Alright, how do I access this chat? Is that possible? So obviously there are two settings. That has to be the case because there's this and then there's that. I'm gonna have to pull an old man and do that a couple times, maybe 3 times. Maybe that's what it takes. I'm officially an old man. Can't see. No, I'm going to remove punctuation. I'm never punctuating. I'm never going to be punctual with this. I don't even, wait, what? After the fog of life has lifted. Sure. You need readers? No. Honestly, I've always had this problem with Mac OS since I was a wee child. The interface was always too small, and whenever you would get a bigger screen, it was never bigger. Like, I don't know how you explain it. It's hard to explain. But if you're on a Mac, maybe you get it, where you'll get a bigger screen and you get more space. Like, it's weird. Well, it's not weird anymore, but it's like you get more space, but it's, I don't know, it's like the things are somehow smaller, you know? The best way to experience it if you don't have a Mac is here, let's see if you can probably get them for cheap. Let's do some research on the internet. Sorry, I had something clever to see what it will do. Anyway, all right, let's go to eBay. All right, I thought there was a dark mode on eBay. Isn't there a dark mode? I had to log in to get the dark mode. Okay, MacBook Pro 17-inch. Man, you should get one if you can. You should get one. They should be stupidly cheap. Look at $18. Obviously, you get one that's in pristine condition. Preferably never even open. It's gonna be one of these old ass Intel Core 2 Duo looking ass processors. Look at this. Yeah. Maybe, you know what? Maybe you can get the i7. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. You get the 2nd generation. Man. But I mean, you know, you can still get it upgraded. Core 2 Duo Turbo. What the hell? Where are we? Core 2. Oh, okay. I forgot about that. Hell no. I going back to those days. Core 2 Duo looking ass. So Core 2 Duo is actually what Intel called their multi-processors. The ones that had 2 cores on them. And then later on, as they were able to get more cores and There was the processor wars. AMD, Intel mostly. Motorola got slapped out of existence. They're no more. Anyway, it was Core 2 Duo for a long time, and then out of nowhere, they're like, all right, we're going to have the i5. Well, what's that? Well, it's basically that, but you get hyper-threading or something silly. I'm sure it was honestly, it was dope as hell back then for those of the people who had PCs, which wasn't me. For a long time. Eventually, yes. A couple times here and there, yeah. But for the most part, it's been a Mac for me. So I'm just like, until it went Intel. It was fast. It was hot though. But you can find one for good for parts. Oh man, that's not good. You want one that at least starts up, right? If you're gonna spend $675, man, inflation is that bad. Where you're buying, what year was this? Wait, what the hell? This is a lot. 2011. It's 2000 and what year is this? 25. I graduated in 2011. Goddamn. That's a long time ago. I'm trying to think which there was a Kanye West album that was hot back then. This was before Black Skinhead. It was during Black Skinhead. Or no, maybe slightly before. I don't know. And look at this. It's got Intel HD graphics. Nobody wants that shit. I think this is back when they still had NVIDIA. At least give me NVIDIA. For $675. That's a lot. 808s? Nah, I don't think 808s and wait, what? I don't think so. What year was that? 808s. Wasn't that 2012? Or was that 2010? It's hard to kind of guesstimate with him because I don't pay attention. I just randomly I'll hear something new and I'll be like, oh, okay, cool. I wonder if it knows about Kanye. Let's see. Does it know? Let's see what it comes back with. The Ego of Jesus, a love letter to a lost genius. How does it know? How does it know? If it wasn't trained, if it didn't consume those lyrics, those copyrights, trademarks, whatever the hell they are, how does it know? Somebody need to explain. I didn't say Kanye West. I just said Kanye. I wonder if the AI model, does it know that it's Kanye? Or is it more like Kanye or Kane? Or any other manner of how people just mispronounce names that should be simple, but for whatever reason aren't. Names like Lakeisha, it's easy to me, but I guess it's not easy to everyone. Looks like My Beautiful Dark Twisted Fantasy came out 2010. Damn, that's like 15 years. ago. That's 15 years ago. You want to know what's crazy? It's that to think that 15 years ago, why is that stovetop blinking? Anyway, 15 years ago, I graduated college. Wait, what year is this? I was 1 year, I was a junior. How about that? I'm willing to give that. I was a junior or something. I remember jamming the album in my car. I think I shared a picture of it, maybe. Let me see. In the photography channel that I created. Nope. Of course not. Why would I have a picture of that? Even I know I shared it though. I'm sure I did. I don't know how to use Slack. This isn't Slack. What is this? Discord. I'm very clumsy with it. I'm not good. And I do want to be good, but it's just so hard to be good with Discord. For whatever reason, I don't get it. The UI is it's too young for me, you know? As an old man. Threads, what the hell? They have all these buttons, but none of them are what I want. It should be easy. I should be able to just be like, I want images. Do I have to go into the search all the way over here to the right? Oh my gosh. All right, what if I just type images? Has images. Oh my gosh, I don't like this. This is too much effort. I know y'all can't see anything, but that, it's fine. I don't know. I'm in a general channel, so it doesn't matter. It's public, but still. There might be a yay missing down there, you know? You know what I mean? Let me close that before I get in trouble. Alright, anyway, so I have my little that thing happening there, you know? So I want to be able to figure out how to access this stream, or not this stream, but this chat over here. That should be possible, you know? Right now I'm just giving it this content, but maybe I figure out the idea of this somehow. Will it give me that? Probably not. Okay, yeah, so it's not going to give me that information here. Yeah, I guess we're going to go on a journey together. I don't know what's happening. Okay, so like CMS. Why did I type CMS? So maybe if I do the log stream and I do a message here, maybe in the log it will include some type of identifier. I don't know. I'm just gonna see. Who knows what's gonna happen? All right. What have I already put in here? Oh wait, I said no punctuation. I'm not being punctual. Broke my rule. I said it, and then immediately, yes, broke it. God damn it. Alright, so here we go. Did we get any? Okay, that's too much of a scroll. Okay, I have a model path, a model identifier. I'm not seeing a chat identifier. That's what I was looking for. Model path. Okay, yeah, sure. Okay, maybe not. No, you know what? Never. Can't be too sure. Sometimes things are a little bit sneaky. Do a little bit of that action. What's today? The 8th? I guess the server's not on, so technically there won't be a log. Okay. So I still have no clue what this is. So I guess these are completely separate, maybe. So maybe now my goal is, instead of making it here, which is what I just did, I want to make it somehow in my API here. So I gave it a system prompt somewhere. This, yes, I need that. Oh, don't make it hard for me. Don't make it hard for me. Oops. It's a JSON file now. Okay. Look at it, you know, it never hurts. Okay, well, yeah, fine. I'll take it. It's fine. It's good enough. No, I want the whole string like that. Why? That's so weird. Okay, so we'll move this to my agent over here. I'm gonna call it Witty Title Generator. What is here? Okay. How about that title prompt? I'm gonna have to fix things. God damn it. Oh, wait. I think slash, I think that still is respected. Except no. And no. For whatever reason, it's not respecting the wrap. I thought I fixed this. I'm willing to put nothing. I'm not putting anything on it, but I'm willing to say it, which is enough to me, that this will format properly in Visual Studio Code. Okay, agent. Look at that. What did I say? Although, maybe. Yes, it's just a visual. Okay, alright, well, fine. Maybe there's a plugin that I don't have. Yes, these things bother me. When something's almost the same and I'm just like, wait a minute. So I have an expectation built in. Okay, so no, this should only ever be in Visual Studio Code for a bunch of reasons. Okay. There's something for like recommended in the workspace. I'm not seeing it anywhere here. Oh wait, never mind. 0. So it's just some random plugin that I have that's different. All right, well, screw it. We'll look at it over here so I can read it at least. You know what? This is gonna be a tool. Maybe. No, I don't think that's how it's gonna work. Let me go look at the docs. Maybe there are none. But yeah, that's a lot of money for real. I think this model is already up. And I think what I said I would do first. Oh, wait. Oh, never mind. I'm not doing that right now. Am I doing that though here? Oh, yeah. So I need to do it here first. This is what I should be doing first. I'm going to move this buddy to over here for now. Inside of, I guess, chat. This bit here. Wait, I thought this was already. Whoa, wait a minute. What am I loading? Level 4 Scott. I thought I changed that. Oh my gosh. I went over and downloaded the internet to make sure that I had the smallest model possible. I don't think that was it. How do I discover that? Which one leads us the smallest? Okay. Alright, I see. That I would use. Okay, llama 3 point whatever that is. And then there's Gemma. I can't remember these names, but this has instruct. Okay, never. Okay, so this is the smallest. Fine, I'll accept it. Except is that the one that I'm loading? It's not. Okay. Have a little bit of a problem. I need this to be that. Let me turn up my studio volume. Yeah, there we go. I don't really need this value here, but I want it. Wait, what? Wait, whoa. How did we get back to this one? Let me quit that. That's confusing. Okay. There we go. Let's find a client to play around with. This is chat. Okay. Excuse me. Alright, we get something. No, this conversation just started. I haven't written it. Wait, what? I haven't written anything yet. Interesting. Why does it think that I'm trying to write a haiku? It remembers this from another session, I suppose. Alright, let's see if there is something on the internet about clearing certain context. I don't know what to think. Alright, well that's working with chats. Maybe that has something to do with something. I can make one. I can create what seems to be a list, a pin. I don't know if any of this is going to help me out of this situation. Maybe one of these, maybe. Yeah, let's see what's running. How about that? Huh? Oh, okay, so there's 2 things loaded. Cool. Instruct and Llama 4 Scout 17. Okay, why is that still up? So this is unload, right? Unload. I want to say I can just give it something close to it. Llama 4. No, okay. I had to like type out the whole thing. Yeah, I can't. Okay. I'll just do this. What's that phantom ghost space? It's unpleasant. I don't like it. Okay. It's gone. And does my computer care? I don't think it does. It seems to give no fucks. Okay, cool. So, now that we understand, let's move this just off to the side. It's not needed right now. Where's the other one? I had another one. There we go. One of these. Whoa, 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 whoa. Are you telling me that these are not separate? So if I hide one, they both get hidden? What the? Interesting. All right, that's interesting. So I want to stop this. All right. I'm gonna also unload. I'm gonna also unload this for reasons. Right. My thinking is that all of the context, the latent context that could be there, if that's even a thing, surely by restarting it, it'll go away. But maybe AI is out to get us, and it just knows, you know. It like looks at the bits of my RAM and it's like, nah, I know what you've been up to. You ain't slick. I wonder if that's what it does. You know? AI just lurking. And people are welcome. They just want it. They're just bending over and just they're just bending over. Here's the Vaseline, just slop. Maybe that's what the slop is. It's just, you know what? It's interesting. Interesting. It reminds me of that topic I was someone alluding to when I trailed off earlier. About how AI is blurring the line between reality and like just like what the hell is real? What's truth? That's being broken right now, which is crazy. And I see it too. Everyone asking, is that AI? Is that AI? No one trusting anything. If something's too good, it must be AI. It's interesting. It's interesting. Interesting to me. Okay. Is this not unloaded yet? I thought I already did this. Okay, sure. I guess it was just so small. Oh no, never mind. Okay, I just forgot to press enter. All right, fine. I'm stupid. Okay, that's out the way. I'm gonna run it again, and hopefully it takes a long ass time to do what it needs to do. I'm not gonna say that often either. who's gonna be running it? LMS. It's gonna be a bun or something. We'll get some output. Yeah, see, loading. It should happen fast. Wait, studio client. It's taking a little bit longer than I would have. What? All right. Whoa. All right, hold on. I'm confused now. I thought I changed this. All right, okay. I don't know. Okay, fine. I could have sworn. I'm glad I didn't. That's why you shouldn't swear. Right, so I learned a lesson. And I didn't swear, so there's that. I guess I was reacquainted with the principle. I was reminded. And fortunately, I did not swear, so. All right. Let's do that song and dance again. Dang it. Yeah, let's unload the other one. Nope. Model not found. Okay. All right. Let's do this now. This is running. Oh, okay. It loaded. Okay. So I gotta clear that out too. Can it handle that? Yes, it can. Fine. All right. Cool. So I have the right thing now. What is the name? LMS for now. Then we'll look for bun. Alright, cool. We load the model. And that's a lot faster. Now, when I make this request, it should know anything about the last time I made the request. Right? That makes sense. Renamed the app. I hate this. Okay, so I need to give it something. Sometimes you just don't have what it takes. You just old. And is it gonna work? Is it guardrailing me? Is it holding my hand? Is this protection? Gosh, I hate this. Or did I just not do it right? Maybe I didn't do it right, you know. I didn't do it. I didn't do it right, you know. Excuse me. Okay. Let's see if wait a minute. No. I refuse to believe it yet. Okay, dang it. Maybe I should have looked at the model that I was using to generate it. God, I don't remember either. I have no idea. I know how I can find out. I mean, I have some idea. I know. Man, if I could see a history of like, oh yeah, you did this to this model, that would be helpful right now for idiots like me. This does say recency though, but I think that these are also, this conflates. Oh, Roscoe's over here complaining. This mixes things that are loaded in LMS with things that are loaded directly in LM Studio. So I have no, I don't trust it, but I'm going to just say this, it's there. Let's just use it. Oh wait, no, it says switch. Okay, okay. Click the switch to the model that was last used with this chat. Mix 3.2 llama. Oh, okay, well. Okay, we put that llama whatever back in there. Wait, what? Wait, llama 3.2.3? What? Okay, all right, cool. All right, I'm gonna put that same prompt. It's been giving me good answers so far. Oh yeah, what the hell? All right, so I did it wrong, obviously. You know, my code game is not there, you know? It's not doing it. So this right here is this line. This is what gets written to the console, right? And I really don't understand like why it's not working. I assume that's what this applied prompt template is. Maybe I need to pass S into the model respawn, maybe, as a chat. Yeah, messages. Can I give it a message? I had to give it an array. Okay. So I'll give it an array of chat dot from. Oh shit, that's not it. Yeah, that was it. Why? Okay, that was weird. Okay, and give it that. Give it a chat like. Okay. Give it that, and then roll system. Okay. Getting somewhere. And then content, messages, content. Yeah, that's gonna be my title prompt. That doesn't compile. Okay. Why doesn't it like that? You want me to spread it? Spread it out? No, you don't want. Okay, you don't want that. Okay. You don't want to be spread out. Sometimes they don't like that. Oh wait. Okay. All right. I guess that would make sense. Why does it not think that this is a chat array? Yeah, I'm confused. Why does it not give me this that I thought I was getting? Yeah, chat light, it's a string. I can give it that. I guess I'm not giving it that version. Okay, well, I don't know why I can't return that, so I won't. I'll just print it, you know. Whatever reason, you can always print. No one's ever against that. I don't even think I need it as a that. In fact, I don't think I need it. So I'm back to square one. How do I get this, that, whatever that is? This S, this, how do I get that? Maybe it's just not doing anything. That's what it feels like. It feels like it's doing absolutely nothing. So I'm more convinced that it has to be this message is something. Chat message, data array. Okay, I don't know what the hell that means. Chat message, data. Okay. I give it a role or a part file. Okay, all right, let's go. Part file data, more part file data. It's okay. Go look at one of these part file datas. Okay, it's a file. Okay, interesting. That it has to be a file. I don't know if that's what I'm looking for. I might be looking at a generic version of this that I shouldn't be looking at. Yeah, let's try this. Let's go to source definition. It doesn't know. No, this isn't. See, this is TypeScript. It's JavaScript, bro. You know, they took regular old development and they just made it hard. They just like, nah, we're gonna bring all of our. I like it though. I mean, it makes sense to me, but I can understand why when people come and look at it, they're just like, what the hell? I can see why. It's funny to me. Yeah. So I feel bad though sometimes. That's not. It's uncharacteristic though. You know, it's not. get it twisted. It's like, nah. It's mostly funny. Kind of how I'm struggling to figure out how do I get my chat message. Is there a chat message data? Is that what I'm missing? All right, I can create or I can do from. If I do from, I just give it a message like. See, that's the part that's throwing me off. I'm gonna just give it the title prompt. Just give it title prompt. And it's still, yeah, it's upset. It doesn't like me. It doesn't like that at all. If I do new, that always solves problems. No, that didn't do it. It's my secret. I don't know how to use classes. And actually, I don't know. I can barely use them. Alright, wait, what? Arduino type role user content stream message. It's not assignable parameter type. Chat like type property messages. Ah, okay. So this can't be used when that is used. Got it. Great. Dang it. So then, how do I tell my model about that message or that prompt? Maybe it's not apply prompt template. That's obviously not the answer. So, could it be one of these? Complete. Nope. No. It's none of those. Okay, is there something here that I can give it? Nope. Not that's of interest. Is there anything in the initialization? I can specify some things. Okay. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's a configuration. What do we have in here? This configuration. Anything with nothing of interest yet. For what I need. Yeah, nothing of interest. Dead end. I suppose I could do this one of these little things. I can get the title prompt and then do that. You know? Maybe we'll see. That thing. Echoes of self-doubt. When the voice in your head becomes the only one you can hear. That's too long. I need to shorten the something. There's a configuration here, that right here. Let's make max tokens something ridiculous like 5. So now see what we get. To shorten it. No, okay. We can't just do that. Reflections of. Echoes of. Wait, why is it putting it in quotes? Why am I getting the same thing now? Lost in the. Okay. Let's get a little bit more creative here, you know? A little bit more creative than that. There we go. That's the kind of creativity we want over here. Reflection of. The weight of I guess okay, yeah, tokens. I forgot. Tokens mean something different. So let's make it 29. Yeah, 29 seems like a respectable number to go alongside 69. Why is it quoting it? Am I... What? Yeah, this is silly. Or maybe I'm being silly. You know what? It could be me. I could be dumb right now. All right, fine. I'm choosing to be dumb. When the streamer stops streaming, reflecting on the ephemeral nature of online. Who wrote what the hell? What is this? Oh my gosh. That's so bad. Okay. Where did we go wrong? I was using 0.8 over here, you know. These are all at default, so I'm assuming that it's the same over here. I assume, using the SDK. And it's the same. Yeah, it's the same everything. You know what? I think I'm going to remove all this formatting, you know? Maybe I don't need it. I hope. Get rid of all that. Space it out the proper way. There we go. It goes in there. Okay, and then things happen and supposedly I get back the right thing. I don't know. I'm not. Yeah, I don't know. I'm trying to see if I'm using Agent Anywhere, if I should just comment that out. Maybe I'm not using it anywhere. Yeah, I think I was running this via Node, so we're good there. Let's close both of those. Let's give it one of these. Sometimes the best chaos is the kind that brings order to itself. How are these so different? I mean, these were starting to get a little bit long too, but it knew certain things, like Jesus. It knew. How is it so different? Will I figure it out? No, probably not. I just looked over to see how long I've been streaming. It's 3 hours. It's 1:46. It's too late. I gotta go to sleep. Just on principle. I am sleepy too. So I'm about to head out. But if you enjoyed the stream, give it a thumbs up. That'll help. You know, you can subscribe if you're not already. You can follow me on Twitch if you're not already. And you can see me next time in the future, perhaps. Anyway, have a good night. Peace.